The history of vintage tapestries and woven goods is a rich and fascinating one that spans centuries and continents. These intricate pieces of art not only serve as decorative items but also provide a glimpse into the culture and history of the societies that created them. From ancient civilizations to medieval Europe and beyond, the art of tapestry weaving has evolved and thrived, leaving behind a legacy that continues to captivate collectors and historians alike. In this video, we will explore the origins of tapestry weaving, the techniques and materials used, as well as the significance and popularity of vintage tapestries and woven goods. The art of tapestry weaving dates back thousands of years, with evidence of early tapestries found in ancient Egyptian tombs and Greek archaeological sites. These early pieces were most likely used as decorative hangings or as coverings for furniture. The techniques used during this time varied, with some tapestries being woven on simple hand looms while others were created using more complex methods. The materials used also differed, ranging from wool and linen to silk and gold thread. One of the earliest known examples of tapestry weaving is the famous Gehenna tapestry, which dates back to the 2nd century BCE. Discovered in Egypt in the late 19th century, this tapestry features a highly detailed depiction of a hunting scene, showcasing the skill and artistry of the ancient weavers. Other early examples of tapestries can be found in ancient China, where silk tapestries were woven and used as wall hangings or as decorations for clothing. However, it was during the medieval period in Europe that tapestry weaving truly flourished. It was during this time that tapestries became highly sought after by the nobility and royal courts across the continent. The popularity of tapestries during this era can be attributed to various factors, including the technological advancements in weaving techniques and the demand for grandiose and exquisite artistic displays. The production of tapestries during the medieval period was a complex and time-consuming process. The designs were meticulously planned and drawn on a cartoon, which served as a blueprint for the weavers. The weavers would then select and dye the yarns, carefully matching the colors to the cartoon. The tapestry was woven from the bottom up, row by row, using a combination of warp and weft threads. The warp threads were stretched vertically on a loom, while the weft threads were woven horizontally. The weft threads were carefully interlaced with the warp threads, creating the intricate patterns and design of the tapestry. Medieval tapestries often depicted historical events, religious stories, or scenes from daily life. They served not only as decorative pieces but also as a form of storytelling and propaganda. The images portrayed on these tapestries were often carefully chosen to convey a specific message or to showcase the wealth and power of the patron. The size and complexity of these tapestries meant that they were often commissioned by the nobility or the church, making them highly prized and luxurious items. One of the most famous examples of medieval tapestry is the Bayeux Tapestry, which depicts the events leading up to the Norman conquest of England in 1066. This massive tapestry is over 70 meters long and provides a detailed historical account of the Battle of Hastings. The Bayeux Tapestry showcases the intricate weaving techniques and the skill of the craftsmen who created it. As the Middle Ages came to a close and the Renaissance emerged, tapestry weaving continued to evolve. The Renaissance period brought about a renewed interest in classical themes and a focus on intricate detail and perspective. Tapestry workshops across Europe sought to incorporate these new artistic techniques into their designs, resulting in tapestries that featured vibrant colors, lifelike figures, and breathtaking landscapes. During the 17th and 18th centuries, tapestry weaving underwent yet another transformation with the rise of the Baroque and Rococo styles. These tapestries featured elaborate designs, often depicting mythological scenes or floral motifs. The workshops of famous tapestry manufacturers, such as the Gobelins in France, played a significant role in the production of these remarkable works of art. In the 19th and 20th centuries, tapestry weaving experienced a revival, with artists embracing the medium as a form of artistic expression. The arts and crafts movement, which emerged in the late 19th century, celebrated the handmade and sought to revive traditional craft techniques, including tapestry weaving. Artists such as William Morris and Edward Burne-Jones championed the revival of tapestry weaving and established workshops to produce their intricate designs. Today, vintage tapestries and woven goods continue to be highly sought after by collectors and art enthusiasts. These beautifully crafted pieces not only add a touch of elegance and history to any space but also serve as a testament to the skill and creativity of the craftsmen who created them. Whether it's a medieval masterpiece, a Renaissance-inspired design, or a contemporary work of art, vintage tapestries and woven goods will forever hold a special place in our artistic and cultural heritage. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more